Dehalogenation of haloalkanes. Here reagent used is zinc dust. Product can be alkene or alkyne depending on the nature of the haloalkanes. So here I have taken one example, that CH3 Cl2 CHCl2, that is 1,1,2 trichloro-propane. When react with zinc dust, A is formed and AgNO3 and NH4OH gives you B. So what is AgNO3 ammonium hydroxide? This is Tollens reagent. It is also called ammoniacal silver nitrate solution. Ammoniacal silver nitrate solution. This is also called Tollens reagent. So we will get white PPT when a terminal alkyne will be there. So here I have given you example. See CH3, CCl2, CHCl2, zinc dust on heating with this reagent, it will give you propine, that is 3 carbon, it is propane, 3 carbon chloro derivative is there, so it will give propine. Now this propine, when this is, since it is a terminal alkyne, it will react with AgNO3 and NH4OH, it will give white PPT. On the H is replaced, it is acidic H, it is replaced by Ag, silver. So we'll get silver acetylide. We call it silver methyl acetylide. We can call it, in IUPAC naming, we'll call it silver propylide. Okay, but it is better that common name, silver methyl acetylide, because this is acetylenes, this is methyl. So silver methyl acetylide, white PPT. So all terminal alkyne gives white PPT with terminal silver ammoniacal nitrates. Silver ammoniacal silver nitrate solution. Please subscribe my channel. If you like it, please motivate me. All the best. Here, see, distinguish between 1-butene and 2-butene. 1-butene is terminal alkyne, so gives white PPT. See, this is, I have written 1-butene, AgNO3 and NH4OH, it will give white PPT. Of this, I have written IUPAC naming as well as a common name also, white PPT. So it is, what is it? It is ethyl acetylide, silver ethyl acetylide. Common name is silver ethyl acetylide and IUPAC name is silver butylide. Now 2-butene, since it is an internal alkyne, so it will not give this test. Okay, so we can distinguish between 1-butene and 2-butene. Any number of exercise you can see. Only search whether it is terminal alkyne or internal. This is internal alkyne. Double bond is not, triple bond is not having, this carbon is not having any hydrogen around it. So it is terminal, this internal alkyne. Terminal alkyne must have hydrogen with this triple bonded carbon. Okay, so this is Tollens test, we call it, because it is ammoniacal silver nitrate. White PPT is obtained. Aldehyde gives silver mirror. That is the difference between aldehyde and 1-butene test. Okay, so in this way you can easily find out all the